we have here our definition of accounting. So accounting is a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. So take note that accounting is not selling something. It's not trading. It's not manufacturing. It's not insurance. What type of activity does accounting do? Very good. The service activity. Now, what is its main function? We provide information. Now, take note, there's qualitative information and quantitative information. So, qualitative information, these are without numbers. So, accounting has nothing to do with qualitative information. Our main function is providing quantitative information, meaning with numbers. Okay? So, kung may mga chismis, ay, nagpangasawa ni ganito si ganito, hindi na yon part ng ating service na ipoprovide. Okay? Kasi wala namang quantitative something doon sa kung sino yung chismis na yon. So, again, aside from it to be quantitative, primarily financial in nature. So, meaning in accounting, we are more concerned about money. So, the information we give about is not about how many kilos, how many kilometers, how many miles away, but it's about how many pesos, dollars, yen, or won. No, it's about money here. So, this financial information that we provide in accounting will be used, no? Will be used to make decisions. So based on whatever, as basis on whatever decision the business will make. Okay, because it's difficult to make decision without any basis. So these bases are the quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, that the accounting provides. Another definition of accounting is it is a process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decisions by user of information. So in accounting, there are processes. First, we identify which transactions are to be or events are to be reported. Then we measure what amount is being involved in this transaction or business event. And then we communicate, we make reports related to these business events. Now, this one will permit or will allow informed judgment. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng informed judgment? Yan yung judgment or decision na merong basis. You have proper information before you make judgment or basis. Ayan. And decisions by users of information. So, kailangan, before you make decision or judgment, well-informed dapat yung decision maker. So, the information is given by the accounting. Another definition, accounting is an art. Ayan, so parang artist pala ito dahil may art, no? There's an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner. And of course, dapat in terms of money, the transactions and events, which are in part of at least financial in character. And then after which, we will interpret the results. So basically, we record, we classify, we group together, we summarize them, and then we interpret the transactions or the events that happened in the business. And only those that are related to money, or which we call financial in character. Not all events or business transactions are recorded here by accounting. Okay. Another definition: accounting is an information system. It measures, processes, and communicates financial information about an identifiable economic entity. So basically, since accounting is providing info, we're part of that information system wherein we are measuring in terms of money. No? We are processing the transactions and then we communicate them, meaning we do not just keep them, but we share them to the decision makers. No? Okay, let's have a quick check again. So, hey, how do you define accounting? Now remember, we have 4 definitions. Will you recite at least one? Very good. Okay, congratulations. Now, if you have not remembered at least one, then go back to the previous slide. I expect you to memorize at least one. The most important definition that we use for our Philippine setting is the very first definition. Okay, so by next chapter, I hope you have memorized that. And that definition is this: accounting is a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. I hope you memorize this. Now let's proceed to defining bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an accounting support function that involves the systematic recording of business transactions in financial terms. Take note that bookkeeping is just a support function of accounting. It means this is just part of accounting. Take note, in accounting, there are different phases. If you remember from the definition in the previous slides, recording is just one of them. Hence, bookkeeping is just a part of accounting. Now we proceed to the phases of accounting. We have the recording phase, where we record the different transactions and events that happens in the business. And basically, these are financial transactions. Then we have the classifying phase. That's when we group together similar events that affects similar accounts. And then we have the summarizing phase. That's when we summarize what happened for the whole month, quarter, or year by preparing the financial statements. And then lastly, we have the interpreting phase. That's when the accounting will have to make use of the information given to interpret what was happening in the company and make prediction what might happen in the future. Now take note of these phases. These are somehow enclosed in a definition that we have discussed earlier, remember? Do you still remember which among the four definitions covers the four phases? I hope you did. If you did not, then let's just have a little review. It's this definition, right? Where it states that accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events, which are on part, at least, of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Okay, so let's have our quick check. Which of the following is not part of the phases of accounting? A. Recording. B. Classifying. C. Summarizing. D. Analyzing. Very good. Correct answer is letter D. Instead of analyzing, it should be interpreting.